Hey guys, so I got these laundry detergent sheets. These are fragrance free. And so if you guys don't know about laundry detergent sheets, they're basically little sheets that break down. It's like laundry detergent. And you just pull one out and then you put in the washer. So I used one and I washed my underwear. I had used the other detergent sheets from another brand and I hand washed my underwear and they smelled good, they were clean, but I tried it with this one, it broke down and I washed my underwear but it still smells bad. So I didn't do a really good job at cleaning, and I know I'm supposed to put it in the washer, but I don't think it did a good job, these sheets. And I think the other ones that I got were better because you could feel the cleanliness, you could smell them, and everything was clean. And yeah, so these, I can't really recommend these. And yeah, like maybe they should like work a little bit less on this box and maybe work on the product. I mean, it's a cute box, it says a lot of information, but the product is not that great. And yeah,